Welcome back to another video. This one's kind of special, people, because we have a new member to the family, and this bad boy flies. This drone is a step up from my previous drone, which I've had for like 6 years, have crashed it a number of times, but I've been watching YouTube videos about this drone all week long, and man, is this year being a storm season, and I've been wanting my drone because I know I'm going to run across weather condition. I know I'm going to run across destruction, and hopefully I'll run across some lovely scenes. And well, drones are good for those kind of things. And we have a new one. This one still has plastic on it. This is new. It is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, and this is the big thing I wanted. The remote has a screen. No more having to stick my iPhone in the controller. I can keep my phone in the pocket or use it as a camera or just let it be a phone, not part of my drone control. At the Fowler RV Park, but that was just a little test footage from the new Mavic 3, coming from the original Mavic Pro that I bought back in 2017. It's got the little dangly gimbal, smooth footage. Gimbal's kind of delicate when you crash it. Coming from the original Mavic Pro to the Mavic 3 Classic, it's an upgrade. It's so much better. It's better in every way. What did you guys think of that footage? And you can take pictures with it too. I haven't showed you guys yet, but you can zoom in a little bit with this drone. There's a lot of features I haven't tried out yet. I did, however, set one of my C buttons as cruise control. In the shot where I'm going by the railroad tracks and then start going along the lines, I tap my C button and it activated cruise control. It locked that direction and that speed in. So I didn't have to touch that joystick. I just controlled the one that spun it around a little bit to do that wall reveal. Yeah, so get excited. Better footage is coming soon. But hands down, my favorite feature is the new RC remote, which has a screen on it. So there's no connecting wires, there's no connecting phones. It's just this. but if it's made by DJI, it's probably pretty good. And I can wirelessly transmit footage to my iPad Pro to edit. No taking out memory cards, no hooking up wires. It's wireless. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, something or another, but it's working here in the camper. I'm currently located in Fort Worth, Texas. All but one of my claims has been in Fort Worth, Texas. On the north side, it's been fantastic. I have not had to battle much traffic, but it is pretty windy. I don't know if this deployment is wrapping up and I'll be cut soon and be able to pick something else to do, or if this is gonna string along for a while. I really feel I've been doing a good job not being on the list that you don't want to be on. I found out as an adjuster, you really don't want to stand out. You don't want people to know who you are. Just because you take amazing pictures and give good detailed notes in the file, label all your photos properly, have the insureds understand what's going on, well, all of that, you're supposed to be doing that anyway. So you're not going to get a round of applause or a pat on the back for just doing what you're supposed to do. But miss a voicemail. Have an agent unsuccessfully reach out to talk to you. Have an insured say they want another inspection because that adjuster didn't know what they were doing. Forget to advance a calendar task and they'll know who you are, and that's not good. You know, it's all cool being a one-man film crew, right? But it's not. It would be better if there was at least one more. I say all the time, man, if I only had a cameraman. Well, I got a feeling that the universe is gonna deliver a camera person soon. And I'll introduce you. Maybe, if they want to be, maybe they want to be behind the camera. I don't know, but I'll see you in the next video.
Everybody going through a little something, something, sing a little song.